Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from the second chapter of the Meriam textbook in Mechanics. And in this one we have this slender quarter circular member of mass m that is built in at its support O. We need to determine the moment of its weight about point O. And on one condition that we consider positive counterclockwise, negative clockwise, which is what we do for all the questions. We always do clockwise moment negative and counterclockwise moment positive. And we have a note at the end of the question that for finding the centroid of this member, we need to refer to the table D/3. And I'm just going to put what we get from table 3 for center of gravity of this member. So first of all, let's call this point G, which would be where the mass or the mass center of this member. And for finding the force, we are interested in weight, which is mass times acceleration of gravity. And if we refer to that table, the center of gravity is going to give us 2b over pi. So that distance from that table, we're going to get 2b over pi. And b is the radius of this circular member. So for finding the moment, as always, counterclockwise positive. I'm just going to show it in here too. We have to figure out if the moment is clockwise or counterclockwise first of all. And for that, so we are trying to find the moment about point. So if we want to find if the moment is clockwise or counterclockwise, we're just going to draw one perpendicular line to the line of action of the force or the weight of this member, which is that. And if we look at it, we'll see that it's going to turn in this direction. So it's a clockwise moment. We have a negative sign. And for that, we have the force, which is mg times the distance, or I should say the vertical distance from O to the line of action, which is what we have in here. How we're going to find that? Pretty easy. We know that the whole thing is b, or the radius, and that part is 2b over pi. So if we just subtract b minus 2b over pi, this is going to give us the moment. We can, so if you just factor b from our parentheses, we'll get 1 minus 2 over pi. So yeah, that would be the final answer. The negative sign shows that the moment is clockwise in here. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.